Hey guys, hi. Here's an update on our pollinator conservation campaign here with our community partner, the Environmental Advisory Council in Ambler. So in June, we received some bees. We would have been able to just release the cocoons that we're cultivating on campus, but things got a little too warm on campus and they kind of emerged a little early. So we did order bees again. This is a native Pennsylvania population of bee. It's called a leaf-cutting bee, and the genus is Megachilidae. They are tiny, and it says mega, but they're tiny little bees. Males don't have a stinger, as you guys know. You've probably heard this ad nauseum. The males don't have a stinger. The females do, and they very rarely sting, only if they're absolutely about to get squished. We know that Megachilidae species of bee is not a honey-making bee, and it is not a hive-dwelling bee. They live on their own, and they lay eggs in little circular pieces of leaves that they cut out. That's why they're called leaf-cutting bees. They take a little green circle of a leaf, certain plants they prefer, they lay it down in a tube. They put down a mixture of pollen and nectar from the flowers. That's the energy source. And then they lay an egg on top of it and they roll it up like a burrito. So basically we got a nice natural Taco Bell going on. I wouldn't eat it, but we got burritos going on in here. And so they then fill these reeds up, these tubes, like bullets in a chamber. And then males only live about 2 weeks. They really only have one job. Females live about 6 weeks. They do their thing and they pass. You can see in the tubes, some of them are packed. What is interesting here is that none of them, maybe only one of them, are packed with what I think are leaf-cutting bee cocoons, meaning we had kind of a visitor, which is fine. We did not see this group survive because of the storm that we had the day after we got them. They survived, don't get me wrong, they survived, but as you can see, they're not using these houses to reproduce. So they probably went someplace natural in the yard and laid their eggs. But they didn't do it in my cute little houses. As long as they're here, they're reproducing. They were all over the place this summer. I think that's all I have to say about it.